Purple Leaf AI is one of the latest AI software tools that's making waves right now. If you've been wondering whether this new release is the real deal, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about Purple Leaf AI, and trust me, by the end of this, you'll know if this software is worth your time and money. First off, let's dive into the core features that make Purple Leaf stand out. One of the most important things to know is that this tool uses advanced machine learning to automate tasks that would typically take hours. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or content creation, this software promises to save you a ton of time. It's designed to handle repetitive work while improving efficiency across your business. Now, here's something you need to understand. Purple Leaf AI is not just another AI tool. It's built with businesses in mind, which means it's packed with features that actually solve real-world problems. The natural language processing, NLP, technology it uses can automate communication processes like emails, customer queries, and even create social media content with a human-like tone. If you're looking to enhance your customer support or streamline your social media posts, this could be a game changer. Another thing that's worth mentioning is the user experience. Purple Leaf AI is surprisingly easy to use. It's intuitive and designed for non-technical users, which is great for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours learning complex software. The onboarding process is simple, and you can start getting value almost immediately after signing up. But here's where it gets really interesting. Purple Leaf's ability to analyze data and provide actionable insights is what makes it so powerful. It doesn't just give you raw data. It offers suggestions based on that data, whether it's marketing optimization or process improvements. This means you can make better, data-driven decisions without needing a dedicated team of analysts. Speaking of marketing, Purple Leaf AI comes with several tools that'll help you boost your digital presence. From automated content generation to personalized email marketing campaigns, the software's AI-powered tools take the guesswork out of content strategy. Imagine being able to launch an ad campaign or send a series of emails without having to manually write every word. That's the kind of efficiency Purple Leaf brings to the table. Now, if you're someone who's concerned about the learning curve of AI, don't worry. One of the best features of Purple Leaf AI is its ability to integrate with existing tools and platforms. Whether you're using CRM software, project management tools, or other marketing software, Purple Leaf is built to sync seamlessly with most major platforms. This helps you avoid starting from scratch and means you can start improving your workflow right away. So, what's the catch? Well, like any new software, Purple Leaf is still evolving. While it's impressive, there are some features that could be refined over time. But given how new it is, I can see it becoming a key player in the AI software space as they continue to improve and roll out new features. But here's the thing you'll want to know before you make any decisions. You can actually try Purple Leaf AI for free using the first link below. That's right. You can see if this software is the right fit for your needs without spending a dime. To wrap up, Purple Leaf AI shows great promise, especially for businesses looking to automate and streamline their operations. It's user-friendly, data-driven, and full of potential for digital marketers, content creators, and business owners. If you're interested in testing it out, don't forget to grab your free trial using the link below. And after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've included my recommended AI software in the description. These are the tools I trust and recommend for anyone looking to enhance their business with the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.